श्री उदय श्रीनिवास जी, आप बोलिए.
Honorable Speaker, I rise to stand in support of Waqf Amendment Bill 2025, a reform aimed at ensuring efficient management of Waqf properties across India. Sir, India's Waqf Board collectively manage land spanning over 36.1 lakh acres. These assets valued at over lakhs, over crores, hold immense potential for public welfare. Yet they are plagued by corruption, mismanagement and encroachments. I would like to thank our Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji, and the Minister of Minority Affairs, Sri Kiren Rijiju ji, for bringing this crucial bill and referring it to the Joint Parliamentary Committee for detailed discussions. I also appreciate the efforts of the Joint Parliamentary Committee in refining this bill through extensive deliberations and expert consultations. Sir, one of the key amendments in this bill addresses the Waqf tribunal structure previously. Tribunal decisions were final, leaving no redressal mechanism for aggrieved parties, resulting in prolonged disputes and a backlog of cases. To remedy this, the bill initially proposed restructuring the tribunals to constitute a district judge of chairman and an officer of joint secretary rank in the state government. However, following deliberations in the JPC, it has now been proposed to include an expert Muslim law and jurisprudence, ensuring a more informed and fair adjudication process. Furthermore, this bill introduced a critical provision allowing appeals to the High Court within 90 days, providing much needed legal resource and to the affected parties within 19,207 cases currently pending in Waqf tribunals. These changes will significantly improve efficiency and effectiveness of dispute resolution. Another significant amendment concerns the survey and determination of Waqf properties. Initially, the bill proposed assigning survey responsibility to the collector or deputy collector. However, after extensive review, the JPC has suggested that an officer above the rank of a collector to be designated by the state government to conduct inquiries into the disputes of over Waqf property claims. This ensures that wrongful claims on the government land are handled objectively, free from the local administrative biases. I must acknowledge that constructive role played by the Telugu States party in advocating this amendment. Sir, one of the key challenges in the Waqf property management has been lack of transparency and accessibility in land records. In many cases, outdated or missing records have led to manipulations of land ownership details, leading to widespread encroachment and legal ambiguities. As per the original amendment, the state government was required to upload the notified list of Waqf properties on a centralized portal within 15 days of its publication in the official gazette. However, recognizing the logistical challenges, the JPC has now recommended extending this time frame to 90 days. This extension strikes a balance between the need for the prompt publication and the practical challenges involved in compiling and verifying extensive land records. The digitization of Waqf records will also empower community stakeholders to monitor the status of the Waqf efforts and hold authorities accountable. Under the leadership of Sri Pawan Kalyan Garu, the Janasena party have always stood for the fairness, inclusivity and the protection of marginalized communities. Our commitment is clear. This bill will not hamper the rights of our Muslim brothers and sisters. Rather, it will strengthen their legal safeguards and ensure that Waqf properties will truly serve the purpose of which they were established. I firmly believe that with the passage of this bill, we will lay the foundation for a more accountable, efficient and transparent Waqf administration. Therefore, I firmly stand in support of this bill. Thank you. Jai.
Thank you.